Hey guys, today I'm going to read you a story called The Lunker. It is a children's book, but hopefully it's a little shorter than some of the stories you guys have had to read for school. So it's called The Lunker. It's about a story about a boy who goes fishing with his dad. On Monday, I went fishing with my dad. He caught a big one. I was sad. On Tuesday, we fished a different spot. He caught another. I did not. On Wednesday, we fished a different lake. The fish were there for him to take. Thursday came and we hit the river. He caught 5. I got a sliver. On Friday, I told him I needed a rest. He said, let's go and give it your best. Saturday came and he caught more. I tried so hard, my arms were sore. Sunday morning, we were there very fast. I baited my hook and made a cast. A tug on my line, my reel was screaming. I caught a fish, my eyes were gleaming. When I got it to the boat, we were amazed to see the biggest fish in the lake was caught by me.